In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot on QuickBooks. We're going to keep this simple and straightforward so you can get the connection set up quickly and without confusion. If you're using QuickBooks and want to link it with HubSpot, the process is very easy and only takes a few moments once you know where to go. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account and looking toward the top right area of the screen. There, click on Integrations and then select Explore Integrations. This will take you to the section where QuickBooks lists the apps and tools you can connect to your account. Once you're on that page, use the search bar to look for HubSpot. Typing the name directly into the search field is the fastest way to find it, especially if there are many available integrations shown on the page. After you see HubSpot appear in the results, go ahead and select it. This will open the HubSpot app page inside QuickBooks. On this page, you'll be able to view an overview of the integration and its features. Take a moment here to read through what the connection offers. This is helpful because it gives you a better understanding of what data or functionality may be available once the two platforms are linked. It's always a good idea to quickly review the app details before connecting any external service. When you're ready to continue, click Connect in the top right corner of the page. At this point, QuickBooks will prompt you to connect using your HubSpot account. You'll be guided through the authorization process, and the required steps will be shown on screen. Simply follow the prompts provided. In most cases, this includes signing into your HubSpot account if you aren't already logged in, reviewing the permissions being requested, and approving the connection so QuickBooks and HubSpot can communicate properly. Just make sure you carefully read each screen as you go so you know exactly what is being connected. Once you complete those prompts, the integration should be set up and you're done. That's all it takes to integrate HubSpot on QuickBooks. If you're following along while doing this yourself, move slowly and confirm each screen before clicking ahead. That helps avoid mistakes and ensures the connection is completed properly. And with that, your HubSpot integration on QuickBooks should be ready to use.